All right, so this is your assignment 1 for week 1, introductory video with directions. So you're going to be in week 1 in your Schoology group. You'll go to week 1. We'll go to assignment 1. And the purpose of this is that we are going to learn about navigation in the Schoology folder. I have posted a welcome video and a welcome folder that has lots and lots of info in it. So I want you to go to it. So it is this folder here that has my picture that says welcome. You're going to go to this folder and you're going to look at all of these different things that are in here. So you're going to, this one is like the syllabus, this is a video, then these are all of the expectations and attendance and grading and everything. So to make sure that you do this, I am having you do a Nearpod that will ask you certain questions about certain things. So you're going to be in assignment 1, you click on it, and then right here it says click here. If it asks you, you need this code, but it shouldn't ask you because I have it already in the link. So if I click here, it's going to take me to Nearpod, and you just follow the directions. Make sure you put your name, first and last name, here, because that is how you will get a grade. And then you will click Join Lesson. So then it just has arrows and it's going to tell you exactly what to do. If you have any questions, please call me, text me, email me, and I will help you succeed at this lesson.